Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Python. So in the previous video you had seen that we had wrote a program to find the minimum number from the list. So in this video we are going to write a program to find the maximum number from a list. For that I am just going to change the minimum method to the maximum. This will give us the maximum number among all these elements of a list. So let's run this will give us the output 8 because 8 is the largest number among all these elements. So I'm increasing the list with 32, which is the largest number among these elements of a list. So this will give us the output 32. So I'm going to do this using a second method, that is using a sort method. Sort method helps us to arrange all the elements of a list in an ascending order. So remove max method. And give element -1, which represent the last element of a list. So let's run this. This gives the same output as the previous one. I am increasing the number to 38, which is the largest among all these elements. So let's run this. This must give the output 38. The output is 38. So this is how you can write a program to find the maximum number from a list. So thanks for watching this. I will meet you in the next video. So if you want to practice Python questions daily, so please join our Telegram group. The link is in description. Thank you.